And lo, I'm gonna take away your weapons. Well, do you have to be fear of the bargain people? There's a real reason why he's called himself the Doctor of Doom. Wait, he's the Doctor of Doom? Holy crap, I'm at one. Ah! Ratchet, those bug people thing is a good idea. Thank you. Let's go, Miss Dr. Palm and Miss Van Dyke. Okay. First, you had to be growing back to your normal human selves. And, sorry, Dr. Palm, you had not be a giant. Oh, man! Oh! Now that's why they never appear in the Avengers movie. They will appear in the sequel instead. Hello, this is Spider-Man review of Transformers Prime Robots in Disguise. Select reviewer Autobot Ratchet. As you see, has Knife Crook, the comic book guy from The Simpsons, best Ratchet ever, because he is the best version of Ratchet we actually got it. So, who needs some medic who was his G1, his old toy, original toy has no head and he was who needs to be a green and black doctor? Who needs a doctor who looks like a... Oh, wait. Sorry. But anyway, this is the best in ambulance mode. He has red and white, the traditional ambulance colors. And there's a door and all pretty much there. And the bottom of the best red ever made! And all that. And you have his medical knives. Come out. You sort him in warm-up mode. And you can have blade weapons. At least you can do that, unlike Real Jack. You can have this. They're soft rubber. Yeah. Now the transform, the best ever made. Simple. You open up the panels. You open this up. Did I tell you this is my second Transformer Prime toy I actually own? Right after Cliff Jumper. Yes. Open up. As you saw the free. Rotate the eggs up. Flip up the hem. Flip up the hands. Flip up the hands. Reveal hands. And this is kind of the homage to anime Ratchet's gimmick. 1, 2, 3. Animorph! Ladies and gentlemen, middle-gen, children of all ages, I bring you the best Ratchet ever made! Transformers Prime Ratchet! Now let's zoom this doctor. See, really nice detail and all that, and know all about Simia, so what do you expect? He is called the Doctor of Doom! And we don't know where or not he has a rival called the Mr. of Fantastics. I'm waiting for a Decepticon that actually said Mr. of Fantastics because Ratchet, that's the reference. Dr. Doom, Mr. Fantastic, you get the reference? Nope. Anyway, yeah, he has very nice details and all that, and he has backpack and all that because he needs that. I had to put the "I need that" joke, or whatever. Anyway, you have such accessories. He can hold them like normal knives. He can hold it like a spy spy? No, he's no spy. But Ratchet don't need him. He don't need that. He needed this way. Because now that's a Doctor of Doom. Blades sticking out and all that. But anyway, articulations for the Doctor of Doom. It can rotate 360 degrees. It can rotate forward. They had a bicep symbol, two-up joint in the knee. Hand can do that. Race has articulate. Race has a little bit of articulation. Legs go forward, they go back. They rotate in the bicep. They bend 2 points of the knee, and has an ankle pivot. Little ankle pivot, but still. So I'm saying you can't actually have it, but when the Doctor of Doom, from a past series before the Doctor of Doom, there was Grandpa Ratchet. See, anime Ratchet is pretty much, you kind of see a difference. Jeff Collins, Corey Burton, thin, sleek, sores, that mean fat, metallic insoles. He has metallic, he got tools, his magnetic weapons and all that. He got his blades. Micron, his Japanese counterpart, had a transforming scalpel who would form Star Sailor! But anyway, final thoughts. Ratchet is the best version we actually got it from a Ratchet character. Little bit known that Ratchet always now stands. It's now at Timothy's, and plus he's a doctor. But anyway, this is Spiderus saying until 10. Thank you.